Okay, so we are back. So this time we will be talking about derivatives formulas from 1 to 6. So in the following formulas, u and v will be able to denote any functions of x that are differentiable. So we have d1 to d6. So we have to internalize this part. So the d1 is the different derivative of a constant. And we have here d3, d4, and d5. We have to follow this concept, which is c, the constant, will be out of this part. So, ating ilabas yung constant. Sa derivative 3 or d3, we have derivative u plus b is equal to du over dx. Derivative u plus the derivative of v with respect to x. And d4, derivative, this is a product. So u dv over dx plus v du over dx. And d5, very easy for this because this is v du minus u dv over v squared. So v du minus u dv over v squared. So ganyan po to pag sa ulo. And d6 is power, in terms of power. So derivative of powers have n u raised to n minus 1 du over dx. So still we need to find the derivative of u with respect to x. So at this point of time, we have problem set here. Find the first derivative y prime using d1 to d6. So this time, we'll answer first number 1. So in number 1, so y is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus x cubed minus 2x plus 7. So same way with f prime x or y prime is equal to, first, by the use of this concept, which is d6, so quotient, so ating i-apply ang quotient nito. So we have 4 times 2x raised to minus 1n, so 4 minus 1, then minus 3x 3 minus 1, yes, minus 2, then plus 0. So this is 8x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2. So therefore this is the first derivative of this part. Okay, let's go back. So by the use of power, so n minus nu n minus 1 derivative of u. What is derivative of u here? That's why you could still multiply this by 1 since the derivative of x is equal to 1. So I understood that it's 1. Later I will be exposing more about this d6. So still, we could have to multiply it by 1 still here. Okay? So, but still 1 is still the same one. You multiply by this 1, the result is this part. 8x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2. Okay. In number 2, we have y 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to 5. So by the use of d6, still in d6, so y prime is equal to 5 times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to 4, because that is 5 minus 1 raised to 4, or 5 minus 1, times the derivative of the inner part. So what is the derivative of this one? that is part of du. So this is 6x minus 4. Okay, so y prime is equal to 5. You can have this transfer. Okay, so 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to 4. So simplify. So 30x minus 20 over 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to 4. So this would be the final answer. Okay, so we are now in example number 3, which is we need to find the derivative of the product of these functions. So 2x plus 5 quantity, the square root of 4x minus 1 quantity. So we will have to apply D4, derivative of the product. So u dv with respect to x plus v du with respect to x. So first thing that we're going to do is we need to assign. So this is our u and this is our v. Since we need to have the derivative of v and derivative of u will be used this one later, so let us first the derivative of b and u. So first, derivative of v. So the derivative of b, this could be translated. So derivative of b with respect to x is equal to this become 4x minus 1 raised to 1/2. It could be written like this. So this become 1/2 4x minus 1 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of u, which is 4. So this will become 1/2 4x minus 1 raised to negative 1/2 times 4. So simplify, cancel this part. We have 2 4x minus 1 raised to negative 1/2. So this is the result of derivative of b with respect to x. So gagamitin po natin yan later. So next is derivative of u with respect to x. So 2x plus 5, the result of this one is equal to 2. Okay, so we will now apply the formula, which is d over dx u v is equal to u dv over dx plus v du with respect to x. So now we copy paste. What is our u? Our assigned u is 2x plus 5. And what is our dv? We have to copy this first. So 2 4x minus 1 raised to negative 1/2 plus we have to copy v. The assigned v is here. Okay, so square root of 4x minus 1 times the derivative of u, which is 2. So we have u dv plus v du. Okay, so next we have to equate this. So they have 2x plus 5 times 2. Okay, then since this is a negative exponent, so we can have square root of 4x minus 1, right? Because negative 1/2 is square root, then negative should be at the denominator part. So plus 2 square root of 4x minus 1. So next we have to get the LCD of this one. So find the LCD. We have 4x minus 1. So we have to copy this. This denominator divided by this one is equal to 1. So we have 2x plus 5 times 2 plus 2 divided by this part 1 is equal to square root of 4x minus 1 times this part. So this will become times 4x minus 1, right? Kasi mawawala na yung ano. Pag multiply mo both this part, this will become 4x minus 1. So this will become 4x plus 10 plus 8x minus 2 over the square root of 4x minus 1. So next, we have to simplify. This is 12x, just copy, plus 8, because you're going to subtract, over the square root of 4x minus 1. So we need to factor this one. This is factorable by 4. So 4, then this will become 3x plus 2 over the square root of 4x minus 1. So we come up that first derivative, or y prime, is equal to 4 times 3x plus 2 over the square root of 4x minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's proceed now with problem number 4, which is y is equal to the quantity of x minus 6, then over 3x plus 4, quantity raised to 1/3. So in this case, we will apply D5 and D6 commonly, this derivative formula. So first, we have find the first derivative of y. So in finding the first derivative of y, we have to follow D6 first, because this is in a power form of derivative. Okay, derivative of a power. So therefore we have 1/3, diba? And this is your n here, times x minus 6 over 3x plus 4, then 1/3 minus 1 times the derivative of u, and this is considered as u, so therefore derivative of x minus 6 over 3x plus 4 with respect to x. So this time, so we have to equate this 1/3, so x minus 6 over 3x plus 4, this will become negative 2/3, then derivative of dx, x minus 6, 3x plus 4. So we will first solve this part. So we have a separate solving solution for this one. So derivative of dx, x minus 6 over 3x plus 4. So by the use of d5, so v du minus u dv over v squared. So let us assign first, this is our u over v. So if this is our u over v, okay, so this part, so u, what is our u? We have to copy x minus 6 here, copy this, and derivative of u, what is derivative of, first we have, no, this is not, this is, first, this is our u pala, and this is our v. So first, v du, so we have to copy 3x plus 4 times the derivative of u, which is x minus 6, that is 1, minus the copy u, what is our u? X minus 6 times the derivative of b, what is the derivative of this one? This is 3 over v squared. What is our v? We have 3x plus 4 squared. So next, we have to apply. So this will become 3x plus 4 minus x plus, hindi pala. We have to multiply first. So this is x minus 6 times 3 over 3x plus 4 squared. So we have 3x plus 4 minus 3x minus 18 over 3x plus 4 squared. So you have to simplify. So 3x plus 4 minus 3x plus 18 by distributive property over 3x plus 4, then squared. So simplify, we have cancel this part, so they have 22 over 3x plus 4, then squared. So we have now derivative of u over dx, and our u here is this one. Okay, so we have to substitute back here. Ito. So this is the last portion. So we need to copy 1/3 x minus 6 over 3x plus 4 raised to negative 2/3. And the result of this part here, we'll just copy 22 over 3x plus 4 squared. Okay, since this is 2/3, so we could simply distribute. Okay, distribute. Oh no, distributes x minus 6. Oh my god. X minus 6 raised to negative 2/3 and 3x plus 4 raised to negative 2/3. And this is 22 over 3x plus 4 squared. Okay. Since negative, we could interchange this one. So 1/3. This become 3x plus 4 raised to 2/3. Naging denominator, naging numerator because of the negative. X minus 6 raised to 2/3 times 22 over 3x plus 4 squared. Okay. Since 2/3 and 2, we could subtract this one because this is division. So we have 1/3. What is 2/3 minus 2? That is equal to 4/3. So 2/3 minus 2. So since this is bigger, so this part will be at the denominator. So this will become 22 over x minus 6 raised to 2/3. Since the result of this one is equal to 3x plus 4 raised to 4/3. So ganito ang answer. Or you could have to simplify this one. Okay, this part. So this is the y prime. Okay, so do you understand? So this part naging ano siya, subtracted because this is division. So since greater number here, so therefore this is in 4/3. So 2/3 minus 2, that is 4/3, and that is part of the denominator. So 1/3, 22 over x minus 6 raised to 2/3, and 3x plus 4 raised to 4/3. So I hope everyone you enjoy this moment, and I will be leaving you a trial or try this at your home. Okay, try this one at your home. So y is equal to the cube root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x. We need to find the first derivative. Just comment your answer, and I hope everyone you will cooperate and you enjoy this moment. Answer now. Thank you. Hello guys, thank you for watching and hope you learned something today. And please don't forget to subscribe to Sergio's Math Class.